The first module element is the cart page. In your app, your users can make a list with products that they want to buy and that are waiting to be sold. By clicking Pay and Order, the payment will be processed in your account. Or go back and start adding things in their bag. This element is designed for sales applications. There aren't any configuration options for the whiteboard module. The board is white and your users can draw with an 18-color palette. Perfect module for children's apps. Cryptocurrency is a module with 3 functionalities. The first is for cryptocurrency rates, second is for global currency rates, and third is for the settings. The last module is RSS XML feed. Every page that has an RSS XML feed you can connect with your application by entering the URL in the blank field. See you in the new tutorial for page settings.